Katsu Kaifu, a name that resonates in the annals of Japanese politics. Serving as the Prime Minister from 1989 to 1991, Kaifu's tenure was marked by a strong commitment to education reform and political integrity. He is best remembered for the introduction of the Kaifu Initiative, a policy aimed at fostering peace and stability in the Middle East. Despite the brevity of his term, Kaifu's influence is still felt in Japan's political landscape today. His unwavering dedication to public service and his efforts to bring about positive change are a testament to his legacy. So the next time you hear the name Katsu Kaifu, remember the man who stood for education, integrity, and peace.